guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with Tashie's Tips Tuesday. I'm really trying to keep this up. I missed last week, but I'm back this week with a super amazing Insta story hack of making cool Insta stories without having to have any other apps. This is another hack on Insta stories. Yeah? Okay, so as always, I am going to record my phone screen and put it next to me here so you can see exactly what I am doing. Okay, so open up Instagram, go to stories, swipe up, and I'm going to choose a video. So I'm going to go for this video here, because I put this up yesterday. So you can see it's moving. It was saying that I've got a new post up. But say I wanted to add something even extra to this. Obviously this is me edited it. I've got a ton of videos on how I edit my Insta stories in the eye. So you want to check out how I do these type of videos, then they're in the eye. But say we want to add something else to this, okay? I'll stop flipping my hair because I never wear it down anymore. No. Okay, so what you would do, leave this open, and then we're going to switch and go to photos. And then we're going to open up a photo, say this one, because this was the post. And then I'm going to press this little thing down here, and I'm going to go scroll along until you get to copy. We're going to press copy. It's copied. We're going to switch back to Instagram. Add sticker. And now we have another element on our story. Like, how good is that? Okay, that is how easy it is to do. I am just going to show you on a more simple video background or photo so you can see that again. Discard. Okay, let's go. So we just have the photo. Say you don't want any video element, you just want to make it, you want to show people you have a new post, but you want to make it look cooler and you don't want to edit in an app. Okay, so this is the photo. I would probably zoom in pretty close, like say like this. Then I would switch to my photo, go like this, press copy, switch back, add sticker, and then I would start layering them. So you can do this as many times as you like. Obviously this one's not going to be a moving element, but it is going to make it look cooler. So I could do like, say like this, and then I could get my pencil tool and leave it on that one and maybe bring it down and do like a little, maybe, let's go to the second one in, this like highlighter one, and bring it all the way up. Let's go to the pen and let's find a color, like a nice pale nudie color, like, that. And maybe do like a little, actually I think that would look better in white, you know. Let's go to white and then do that behind it, so it gives it like a point of reference, and then maybe like a swipe along that one, and even maybe a swipe down that one, and then it gives it a point of reference. And then we can add in new photo, which we could maybe do like, I'm just showing you my process. Sorry, I'm looking down this whole entire time. Obviously it's because I'm looking at my phone. I'm just showing you like the whole process of what I would do. Actually, let's not even put new post, let's just put new. So let's put new, select, copy, and then we're going to just multiply that, paste. Let's do 4 times. You guys know I like even numbers, so let's go 4, and then let's put that kind of in the middle, like that. Yeah? That looks cool. And I didn't use any other apps to make this happen. This is all in here. And also I feel like it's cool, but it doesn't give too much away that it won't make people then click and view your post. Because you know I've spoken about this before, that if we want to make our Insta stories look like really cool as fuck and like really creative and aesthetic, but you also have to remember the purpose of why you're using your Insta stories. That could be many reasons, but if it's for the reason that you're trying to show your followers that you have a new photo, you obviously don't want that post, the Insta story post, to obviously give away the whole photo, because then they're very unlikely going to click your post, your actual page, to see the photo, because they've already seen it on your story. So they're not going to want to go, oh wow, yeah, I want to check that out, because they've seen it already. Even this one is on the edge because I feel like you can see it a bit here. But they're not to know that the full post maybe isn't including my head and legs in this particular example. So yeah, and also you can't see the details as well. So that, how easy is that? I mean, freaking unreal. So that is my top tip for Tuesday today, guys. The copy and paste to add sticker elements. Obviously you could go ahead and add other sticker elements, as in like this. So what you could do, okay, this is going to get a little bit longer now, but go to Safari. Okay, so you want to go to Google and type in duct tape on transparent, and then go to images, and then you get duct tape on transparent, funny enough. Okay, the grey one I always use is this one. You do want to make sure the background is transparent. Can you see how, because sometimes they try to play you and they make it look like the background's transparent, but it's not. So you really want to go to one that's like, can you see here, this grey one, the cross? The background on here is white. If I click on it, it goes transparent. Those are the ones we want. Okay, so let's go for this one. So we're just going to save this image, save image. Okay, then we're going to go back into photos. I'm going to open this image. We're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to go to copy. We're going to go back to our Insta story. We are going to open up the sticker, and we have a tape sticker, and it's ready to go. I mean, obviously I've done a lot on this one already, so I probably wouldn't use it right now, but we could have used this instead, okay? So let's actually just go undo, undo, undo. Let's get rid of those. Let's go back to my photos, and I also have this one, which the tones might fit better. So let's copy, open Insta Stories, and there's the tape. Can you see? Oh, I'm on pen. Oopsie, I've still got pen underneath. Okay, so we're on here, so we can just move this tape to, like, say there. So you've got a bit of tape across. You can put it here, you can put it down here, and then it could actually look quite nice across like that, and then put the writing on top, so it kind of blocks that out a bit. Let's see what other tapes we can find. Let's go back to Safari. It might be better with just a straight grey tape. Let's try that instead. Save image. And photos, copy. Yeah, I think that's going to look better. It gives it a little bit more contrast. I'm going to get rid of that one. It gives us a little bit more contrast. I feel like this looks better for sure, the grey. So can you see? And then we maybe want another one, so let's just add another one. And then let's put this little one maybe down there. Just like small. Maybe make that a little bit smaller too. Maybe even put it the other way, like this. So obviously we can do this on anything, because it can be a video background. The only thing you can't do is copy a video and have it as an overlay. You can only overlay photos, because they're technically stickers. The same as you would go into, like, to get a GIF, you would go in here, this is a sticker. Like, it's the same thing as that. You're basically just creating your own sticker. The possibilities, guys, are endless in this scenario. So that is how quick and easy it is to make really cool Insta Stories with only using Insta Stories. No other app requires, no money, nothing. You can thank me later. So I hope you found this video helpful as always, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. I never say that in my videos, but obviously it does really help me out if you click the subscribe button. And then also, if you click the subscribe button, you won't miss out on next week's Tashie's Tips Tuesdays video. Hopefully there will be one next week. No, I'm really going to try and make this work, okay? Okay, so that's everything for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!